Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So on this lecture here, we are going to be using best practices on structuring our application. I'm going to help you set up for a bigger application, all right? So we're going to break our applications apart and structure it correctly so that way when we grow, it's not that hard, all right? So now we're not going to do much in this level 1 with structuring, but we're gonna do it on level 2, level 3, we're gonna do it structuring a little more, all right? But let me show you how we can break up this application and refactor it so that way it's ready for bigger growth, all right? So what we're gonna do here, all right, let me just take this off. We're gonna separate the UI, right? The buttons, the layout, and all that stuff. We're gonna separate that from the events here, all right? Okay, so let's go ahead and inside right here, all right, let's create some methods or some helper functions. So I'm gonna just put the underscore here just to signal to the next developer that these are special functions, right? Then we're gonna pass self here, self, boom, all right? And here we're gonna set up the events. So let's go ahead here. Let's put this up. Okay. And all we have to do here is just do self and self, just like that. Okay. All right. So now let's go ahead and get the layout. So I'm going to be just putting this all together here. All right. And this, we're going to leave for the init. That's fine. So here, let's go down here to the left here and do setup UI. Simple as that. And then we pass self and we do the same thing. Okay. So we're going to just concatenate all this to the what we got inside. Layout right here. And then we do this one, self, and this one here. Okay, everything has to have the word self because, of course, we are referring it, they are inside the class, right? All right. Make sure that you got the same thing here on the hello, okay? All right. Let me see if I'm missing anything here. Yep, right here. Forgot this one on the setup events. Okay, there we go. And then this one as well. All right. So once we have these two functions, let me just make sure that have the colon here as well. So now that we have this function, these methods, right? Then I'm gonna go ahead and call them in the init method here. And self, then we run this setup events or setup UI first. We're gonna do it in order, just like that, right? And then this one would be events. There we go, if I can get it correctly. And now let's open our console here and let's see if we can execute this. And now it works the same as it did before, all right? So nothing much here, but just helping you guys organize this a little better, okay? For growth. We're getting ready for growth, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. For those of you that are brand new, remember that there is a link in the description of this video for the full playlist. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next lecture.